Good day, guys. Um, it's me, Prince M Comedy, aka Intelligent Mugu. You see, if you look, you go see, say I no dey with my costume. This one no be content. No say for this Lagos where we dey, I think this is the time now we go know people where they live for better house. Because no be to carry 300 million buy house or rent house 5 million, 10 million, they pay rent every year. Now when rainy season come, we dey know people where dey better house. Because some people wey dey Kpako still dey better house pass you wey dey estate wey dey pay millions of naira. Why I dey talk dis thing now be say if I wake up tomorrow now tell una say I dey China, make una no doubt me and make una no argue, because these days na anything can happen at any time. Because I just wake up this morning now see say fraud, this heavy rain wey dey fall for Lagos now or wey dey fall, I no know about other states o, but let me say wey dey fall now. As I wake up now, I see say the rain, the flood now don carry my house, don carry our street comot for Nigeria. Now we dey boundary now with China. I go turn the camera now, una go see. Anything wey make me pass this water now, go like this now, I dey China. So if I tell una now say I no dey Nigeria, make una no argue. Turn the camera make they see am. Turn the camera. So you see am, see my house, see water. See my house, see water. You see that road now? From that road now, you go enter China. So anything wey make me tell you say I no dey Nigeria, no doubt me, no argue with me. Because rain now, flood now don carry our street comot for Nigeria. Na small thing remain na im for carry us enter China. See street, see am. Video the water make they see am. See am. You dey Lagos, see am. When agent be wan give me this house, he tell me say, water no dey the compound. Water no go disturb you. Agent, I no tell you say I need beach view. I no tell you say na for beach. If to say na for beach, I know where beach dey. For go there, go collect house. See where agent come. Luck where you get, you wey be agent wey give me this house, be say, as rain dey fall like this, I no dey see you for Lagos. Anytime wey I see you, guys, before you collect any house for Lagos, no dey collect house for dry season. Before you rent any house for Lagos, make sure say rain dey fall, make sure say na rainy period. Make you know the kind street and compound wey you wan go rent house. Because this suffer wey we dey suffer now, you go suffer finish. Make money, you go pack millions of naira go give agent and landlord wey be say na inside water you go dey sleep. Many people now wey dey here na water don pursue dem comot. And if to say na only downstairs you dey, water go pursue you comot. Many people now don pack go upstairs. People wey no go upstairs now don pack comot go their friend side or find another place. If you ask us, we dey Lekki, but na we dey suffer. See, make una know wetin una go do o. Because if I wake up tomorrow, I don tell una, if this thing continue, if this water still dey rise up pass like this, na to just cross like this enter China. Una no go see me for Nigeria again. I don dey tell una. See am. Imagine say we dey Lagos, we dey see inside estate. Now we dey contribute money, make we buy canoe wey we go take dey comot for inside estate, where we no dey Ogbaru, where we no dey Bayelsa, where we no dey Delta. We wan buy canoe inside estate wey go dey carry us see estate, see water. Make una no worry. Cut the camera. I go update una later. I go update you. Even express sef, water full everywhere. So if you ask me for money now, make I no deliver. Make you know say water dey my area, I no see road comot go do transfer for you. Since wey I dey do dis video, una see any bike wey pass here, una see any motor, see am, na inside water you dey stay now dey sleep. Make una no worry, I don tell una before, dis one no be con ten t. If you doubt me, video your area send for me, make I see as e be. Video your area if you dey Lagos, Lekki, Lekki, Lekki. Carry the camera come. I never go inside oo. You see where the water dey reach me, na why I wear short. I never go inside oo, see where the water dey reach me. Water wey dey street. Dey come. See am. If una dey hear say we dey Lagos, make una dey pity us. No be small thing we dey see. Carry the camera come.